Thank you, Transportation Secretary, Secretary Vince Dizon, Higher Education Commissioner Desiderio Apag III. Please take it. Officers, Philippine Coast Guard Admiral Ronnie Hill Gavan, the officers of the Armed Forces of the Philippines, Philippine Merchant Maritime Academy Superintendent Commodore Joel Abutal, the Zambales 2nd District Representative Doris Manikis, Zambales Provincial Governor June Dani, the officers, employees, cadets, and graduates of the PMMA Kadaligtan Class of 2025, also the parents and loved ones of the PMMA graduating class, fellow workers in government, other distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, a good day to you all. 2 centuries ago, in 1820, the PMMA began its seafaring journey as the Escuela Nautica de Manila in Intramuros. 200 taon ng paghahanda at pagbibigay direksyon sa mga kabataang Pilipino na tatawid sa dagat upang maglingkod at magdala ng dangal sa ating bayan. Sa loob ng mahigit 2 siglo, ilang libo na ang mga marinong hinubog ng PMMA sa iba't ibang parte ng mundo. Sa bawat pagtatapos, mayroong bagong angkan ng may pagpapatuloy ng pamana ng institusyong ito. Ngayon, kayo ang bagong henerasyon. Kawal ng dalampasigan, liwanag ng karagatan. Your class name says it all. Your journey far into the sea to carry the light for others to follow, even in the most turbulent waters. Today, there are 252 of you. Some of you will serve with the Navy, some with the Coast Guard, and some with the Merchant Marine. Each path is different, but you carry the same compass guiding you towards excellence and service. The seas are rife with danger. It will test you. It will push you to your limits. But above all, it will shape you into the mariner that you are meant to be. I believe your safe arrival at your destination is a triumph for yourself and for the people that you serve. Kaya naman, tinitiyak ng pamahalaan na mas matibay at mas mataas ang antas ng pagsasanay ng ating bansa. Magkakaroon na tayo ng National Merchant Marine Aptitude Test na susukat kung handa na ang ating mga kabataan na kumuha ng mga maritime courses sa kolehiyo. Bukod dito, binubuod na rin natin ang ladderized maritime education and training program para tuloy-tuloy naman ang pag-angat mula sa non-degree hanggang sa degree program. Gumagawa rin ang Marina ng iba't ibang paraan upang maparami ang oportunidad para sa on-board training. To our cadets, do not forget to carry your mission and to carry on the tradition of excellence of the PMMA. Let this day inspire you to live up to your class's name, bringing your own light even to the darkest of seas. Para naman sa inyong mga magulang at pamilya, kayo po ang tunay na bayani sa likod ng bawat kadete. Marahil ngayong araw, naiisip ninyo ang lahat ng payo at sakripisyo na ninyo sa inyong mga anak, sa inyong mahal sa buhay na kadete, upang matulungan ating mga kadete na makarating dito. At sa pagkakataong ito, sila na ang hahawak sa manibela ng kanilang buhay. Ngunit, naniniwala ako na kahit gaano kalayo ang mararating nila, palagi nilang dala ang aral at pagmamahal sa inyo. Mga kadete, malawak ang abot tanaw ninyo. Dadalhin kayo ng inyong mga barko sa iba't ibang dako ng mundo. Tandaan ninyo na sa bawat paglalakbay, bit-bit ninyo ang dangal at pagmamahal sa bayan. Dalhin ninyo ang pangalan ng PMMA, ng Kadaligtan at ng Pilipinas sa bawat pantalan at bawat karagatang inyong tatawirin. Maraming salamat. Congratulations at mabuhay ang Kadaligtan Class of 2025. Mabuhay ang bagong Pilipinas.
Thank you, Mr. President, for your inspiring message. With this, we would like to present to you this memento in grateful appreciation of your presence and for being our guest of honor and speaker for the commencement exercise of the PMMA Kadaliktan class of 2025. May we request Commodore Joel Y. Abutal, PMMA, to present the memento to His Excellency Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. This memento, depicting a saluting midshipman in full dress sailor uniform, symbolizes honor, discipline, and unwavering commitment to duty. It serves as a lasting reminder of the proud traditions and values upheld within the maritime service.